Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TV in your GMC Yukon. This system is designed to keep your rear passengers entertained on long journeys. It usually features two vibrant, high-definition screens, each measuring around 12.6 inches diagonally, mounted conveniently on the back of the front seats. This setup ensures everyone in the back has a great view and can enjoy their preferred content. Your Yukon's entertainment system offers several ways to play media. You can insert a Blu-ray or DVD disc into the player, usually found in the center console. For digital files, simply plug a USB drive into the designated port. There are also HDMI inputs, perfect for connecting a gaming console or a streaming stick. Certain models even allow for wireless screen mirroring from compatible devices, expanding your entertainment choices significantly. Controlling the rear entertainment system is straightforward for passengers. Each screen typically comes with its own dedicated remote control, allowing individual selection of content. Many systems also feature intuitive touch-sensitive controls directly on the screen bezels. The driver can also manage some aspects of the system through the main front infotainment display. For a personalized experience, wireless headphones are usually provided, offering private audio for each passenger. Beyond basic playback, you can customize the entertainment experience. Passengers can adjust screen settings like brightness and contrast to their liking. You can also choose whether audio plays through the vehicle's speakers or exclusively through the wireless headphones. For families, parental controls are a valuable feature, allowing you to restrict access to certain content. Don't forget to explore any pre-installed apps or additional connectivity features your specific Yukon model might offer for even more fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.